வணக்கம். Hi friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் host Naina. So after so many days or a month, I am making the video because I was ill, and that's why it is very difficult to talk. It is very difficult to smell also. It is very difficult for me. That's why I was not in front of the camera. But yesterday I took nice pills. I talked with my parents. I talked with my uh, friends, and yesterday I went in the hospital. I checked my blood, and then I took tablets, and now I'm feeling well, better last days. But till I have to take the precautions, and I will follow that, and as possible I will send the videos, I will upload the videos, but till you just wait and watch the previous videos. So today I'm going to because outdoor shooting it is impossible, and I'm not feeling well. I'm going to tell you, and that's why I'm not going outside from this room. So it is very difficult to enter in the kitchen also, and so I'm unable to make any dish, any food recipes, and that's why it is a you have to wait for some period, and then I will show you the recipes, and I will make some food items and all that. So sorry, so many yesterday I decided to upload videos, but it is difficult to enter in the kitchen, it is difficult to enter outside. So I decided I want to give the answer so many questions frequently asked to me, so I am going to answer of that questions. So first, uh, rarely I'm don't want to introduce myself, but frequently so many questions ask me, and so for your love, for your that respect for my channel, so it is my duty to answer your questions. So first question, so many people ask me who I am. So I'm a housewoman, plus I'm doing something apart from this YouTube, and I am a daughter of a officer. I am a wife of a that farmer. My husband, yes, my husband, he is a farmer, and in this way my life is going on. And second question, people ask me, uh, means where I am living. So I am living at the border of South India and North India, means Karnataka and North India. Karnataka, it is nearer from my place. And other thing, people ask me, the third question is that people ask me about though I am a North Indian or South Indian. So actually my parents, great parents and all that, they migrated in this Maharashtra, and my husband's family also migrated in the Maharashtra, but actually the both families are from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. They migrated in the Maharashtra. So from so many years we are living in the Maharashtra, but actually we are Telugus, and my parents mostly they following the Maharashtrian culture, but a little bit our family god, that is family god is from the Andhra Pradesh. So some festivals and the family rituals my parents following according to the Andhra Pradesh or according to the Telugu culture. And my husband, he is his family also same doing like that. They are also doing that pujas and all that god rituals according to the South culture. And I am also, but rather than my mother-in-law and my mother, mostly I am following the Telugu culture in my family, because I don't know the other culture, and the gods, and they're from that area. That's why I have to accept that culture, and I'm following that rules and regulation according to that. And third questions, people ask me about my food. So there is a fusion at my home about the Maharashtrian and Telugu foods. But mostly I am using the Telugu foods. I don't like the chapatis also. But when I was a child, I was at my parents. So I used to eat chapati mostly. But when I married and I came here, so there is a difference between that city and this city, and the distance from my parents city and my husband's city is near about to 800. So the culture is different, the taste of food is also different, and now I have to eat rice. But now I am liking like that. And the jawar roti that my husband like, and I learned how to make that jawar roti. Previous videos I showed that, and the big and very thin jawar roti. But rarely I making that. And I used to eat mostly the rice and pulihara rice. That is my favorite, the types of the rice. Next questions, the people ask me about my favorite vegetable. So my favorite vegetable that is not getting in this region where I am living now, in that region that is not getting. And in my parents used to call that that vegetable is ghuya. So guya, that is my favorite and very most favorite vegetable. But I am not getting here. I think since 10 years I have not ate that. And I'm not getting, I'm searching that, but people don't know that's vegetable. And always when the season of that vegetables, so I have to live in my husband's house. That's why it is impossible to go in my parents house, and I'm not getting that vegetable. And next question, the slam books. The people are asking me the slam books about that. So another questions. I'm measuring on left. Wait. Another questions. The people ask me about my favorite color. So my favorite color is green. Yes, I most like that baby green color. And mm, my favorite destination. So I most like Chennai city. Though I'm living in this region, but I most and very most like Chennai. That is my dream. I want to spend my old age life in the Chennai. And next question is that um, which language mostly I used to talk. Very difficult. I know Tamil, Telugu, little bit of Malayalam, Sinhala, English, Marathi, Hindi, and little bit of the Gujarati. But when I'm thinking in my mind, let me think. So I don't know that language. Because while we are thinking now, so that language specifically it is impossible. But when I'm going to talk with my parents and my friends, I use Marathi. My Marathi is not so good, but I use when I want to talk with my mother. So I use Tamil. And with my husband, mostly I use Telugu. Though he is Telugu, but he don't know much more Telugu. And when I was at my parents house with my grandmother, I am always talking in Tamil. She is from Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram. That's why her Tamil is very good. She taught me how to read and write in Tamil. And that's why I'm talking myself in Tamil. And Tamil is my favorite and very favorite language. And the next question is that very difficult. How can I give the answer of this question? Okay, about my child. So I have two sons. but nothing more. I'm going to give the answer about this question because that is very secret. Means now I don't want to publish, or I don't want to launch my kids in this field. uh, okay, let it be. Okay, the next question is the relation of between you and your husband. Mostly we are, so many times we are fighting. Is this your next question is that, is this your arrange or love marriage? So it is purely intercaste love marriage. And totally the caste are different, but both we are from Telangana region, Telugu, but that branches of the caste is different. And mostly and means my parents and my in-laws, they oppose, yet the in-laws, they are opposing. And my husband also opposing some cultures which I am going to use at my home. And now we are too much going to fight, and always I am going to call my parents. And my husband's he loves me, but nowadays what happened, but in the love marriage, the this thing is always going on. Okay. About my education, that is the secret, because the some rules and regulation, my highly qualified I am, but I am not going to open that. I am double graduate, postgraduate, and I am a social worker. Bas. Okay. About my hobby. before before joining the YouTube, my hobby was reading in Tamil books and watching the Tamil movies. And when I married, then my hobbies are changed. I used to make a column, rangolis, and weaving works. And when I'm enter in this YouTube life, so now my hobby is to launch videos and show the recipes and show my life in this world. I want to teach, I want to show my culture in front of the world, and that is my hobby now. But the perfect and permanent hobby is watching Tamil movies. That is my favorite hobbies. And wandering in the field. The next question is that about my costume. So I most like the two piece, but after marriage I avoid to wear that two piece. But when I will get any program or any that situation, that moment I will wear. I will show you myself in the two piece. But I am use now the Punjabi suits and saris. Today I wear these saris. About my beauty products. All beauty products I am going to use, which is coming in the market, or when I will when I what when I'm always seeing in my purse, according to my money, I'm using that beauty products. But overall, the all the beauty products are good. When I'm doing the advertisement and all, and that sponsor videos, so I have to use that beauty products. But I'm a realistic person. Which product gives me the nice nice effect, nice result, that product's my favorite. Which is your favorite ornaments? My favorite ornaments is golden rings, in earrings also, and finger rings also. And that this tari, which is called Mangalasutra and tari, this is my favorite ornament. Okay. The next is that, which is my favorite game. My favorite game. One story is that when I was in the school, I played volleyball. But while playing with the volleyball, so I hurt in this finger, and my finger bent, permanently bent. That's why, see, this is permanently bended. So I avoid to play. But volleyball is my favorite game. And now this mobile world, I am using so many mobile games. But when I'm getting time, spare time, in that time I'm playing that. But till also I want to play volleyball, but now I am not getting the team also. So now when my kids will grown up, that moment we will play and I will show that videos. And next is that I like sweet dish, which is my favorite sweet dish. Favorite, mostly I avoid to eat sweets, but my favorite sweet dish is payasam, and that is godi payasam, wheat payasam, and that is my favorite. Which is my favorite festival. All the festivals I most like, but Pongal, that is my favorite. And what, I don't know the reason behind this, but from this June, July, August and September, so the festivals comes in these months, June, July, August, September. So I'm most like that months, and especially the Shravana month. Shravana month, according to Hindu calendar, and it is coming between July, August, September. So that I most like that, because greenery are there, and previously I told that I most like the green. And now the viewers, some suspense should be there. Next part I will join, and I will tell you the secrets about my life, who I am, what is my real name. Okay, the real name na. Some people they ask me about my real name. So Naina, this is my real name. Yes, this is my real name. This is not a glamorous word name, but this is my real name, and always I am using this. I most like my name. And my mother's friend, she has given me her name. My mother's friend's name was this Naina, and in her memory, and she gifted her name to me. So that is a very most shining things and shining moment for my parents and my mother also. So my mother put my name on the her friend's memory, that is Naina, and I like this name. And this is the my favorite thing in my life, that I got this name, and so many people also like this name. But Naina, this is my real name, and my husband also calling me by this name. My parents also, but my favorite friend, she is using another word, Anna, and now the only one person is calling me the Anna. Okay, so about my love story. So in the next part, I am going to tell you about my love story. Okay, Nandri.